touch my phone?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Cook County and northeast Illinois, Will County and northeast Illinois, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a train spotter reported a tornado just in Bolingbrook, and radar indicated location near Makina, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Country Club Hills, Hazel Crest, Flossmoor, and Markham by 3:30 p.m., Thornton, Homewood, South Holland, and Glenwood by 3:35 p.m., Lansing, and Calumet City by 3:40 p.m. Take cover now. If no basement is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning previously issued for this area.